Hello children, welcome to English class. Today in English, we will learn what is a sentence and when to use punctuation of capital letters, comma and full stop. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes sense or which has a meaning. For example, the sun rises in the east. The flowers are blooming. Both these groups of words make complete sense. Therefore, these are sentences. Children, always remember that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. एक सेंटेंस हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है और फुल स्टॉप से खत्म होता है. Alright? Now for example, Tom loves lollipop. In this sentence, the letter T is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a full stop. Now let's take another example. The boy is running. Here the letter T is written in the capital form and the sentence ends with a full stop. Children, besides writing the first letter of a sentence in capital letter, we also write the starting letter of names of persons and places in capital letter. For example, Rahul, Aunt Richa, Delhi, Ranga Bahar, etc. Now see this example. My friend's name is John. He lives in Mumbai. Let's try to correct this sentence by putting capital letters wherever it's necessary. The starting letter M should be written in capital letter. John, J should be written in capital letter because it's a name of a person. After full stop, he, the starting letter H should be written in capital letter. Mumbai, M should be written in capital letter because it's a name of a place. Comma. When do we use comma? My favorite fruits are apple and mango. In this sentence, we're talking about only two items. Next sentence. My favorite fruits are apple, comma, mango and banana. Here we are talking about more than two items. So children, comma is used to separate three or more items in a sentence. Comma is also used for giving a short pause or a break in a sentence. Children, always remember, while reading aloud, when we see commas, we should take a deep breath or a short pause and continue our reading. And when we see full stop, we should take a longer pause than comma. Alright? Children, let's read a given group of words. Will water I give? There no back his hair. So pick up, but she did not. These group of words do not make complete sense. Why? Because they do not begin with a capital letter, nor do they end with a full stop. So these are not sentences. When we speak, we use sentences. Children, let's try to solve an exercise, alright? Now let's pick out the group of words that are sentences and place them on the column to the right side. The first one, the fruits are on the table. This group of words make complete sense because they begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So it is a sentence and we can place it in the column to the right side. The next one, there are mangoes on the tree. This group of words also make complete sense and it is a sentence, so we can place it in the column to the right side. Now let's look at some more examples. Book like Raju to read. This group of words make no sense, so it is not a sentence and therefore we cannot place it in the column to the right side. My mom cooks tasty food. This group of words makes complete sentence. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So it is a sentence and we will place it in the right side. The last one, keep the box. This group of words doesn't begin with a capital letter nor does it end with a full stop. So it is not a complete sentence. So we cannot place it in the column to the right side. Alright?